This is repairing the tile grout in its tub. Get a tube of tile grout, it's kind of squishy, and stick the nozzle into the grout where the crack is. Take your nice little brush and work it in smoothly. Once you get it worked in, take a paper towel and wipe off the excess. Here's a big hole in the front of the shower. Believe it or not, the bugs were coming in and out of that thing before I shut them down. And then again, work it in with your brush. This one you just wipe smooth. This is the caulk applicator. The hole's not too deep, it's easier just to use the caulking applicator. There's a couple small holes you can hardly see, but they're there nevertheless. And this bending over makes me dizzy. This is how I was feeling when I was putting this stuff on. Just take and wipe it smooth. And wipe it with a caulk. That's it.